In today's fast-paced industrial world, visibility and safety are crucial. We not only offer smart AI dash cams, but we also have a comprehensive MDVR camera solution, a cutting-edge system that can provide a 360-degree view of your vehicles with a forward-facing AI camera, a driver-facing AI camera with fatigue monitoring, real-time video streaming, and GPS tracking. In this video, we'll explore the capabilities of this state-of-the-art system and share a case study that demonstrates its practical benefits. Our MDVR camera solution is a comprehensive solution designed for enhanced visibility, safety, and operational efficiency. It offers up to 8 strategically placed cameras. The MDVR system can provide a complete 360-degree view of your vehicle surroundings. This minimises blind spots and enhances safety during manoeuvres. It also has large capacity storage to record weeks of video. With the AI-based forward-facing camera, the system analyses the road ahead, detecting obstacles, pedestrians, and other vehicles. It provides real-time warnings to the driver, helping prevent accidents. The MDVR solution can also be configured with a driver-facing AI camera that monitors the driver's face for signs of fatigue or distraction. It can alert the driver and the fleet manager if fatigue is detected, promoting safer driving. Real-time video feeds from all cameras are accessible remotely, allowing fleet managers to monitor their vehicles and drivers in real time, ensuring compliance with safety protocols. GPS tracking provides accurate location data, route history, and geofencing capabilities. It helps fleet managers optimize routes, track deliveries, and ensure vehicles are where they should be. Now let's take a look at a real-world case study where the MDVR camera solution made a significant impact. A tyre company had a challenge. They needed to monitor the loading and unloading of tyres onto grab trucks to improve safety, productivity, and proof of delivery. This process was critical to ensure the right tyres were delivered to the right locations in a safe manner. The company decided to implement our MDVR camera solution on their grab trucks. Multiple cameras were strategically placed to cover the front of the truck, the driver, the tray, and the rear of the truck for reversing, which also included an in-cab display for the driver to see what was behind them. The results were impressive. Our MDVR solution provided enhanced visibility for drivers when reversing the trucks. Fleet managers could oversee the entire loading and unloading process remotely in real time. Delivery tracking improved proof of delivery and reduced costs, and the driver-facing AI camera enhanced driver safety with fatigue and distraction monitoring. In conclusion, our MDVR camera solution is a game changer for businesses that require enhanced visibility, safety, and operational efficiency. Whether you're in the tyre industry or any other sector, this system can help you achieve your goals while prioritising safety.